This question is given in GATE 1998. I'll read out the question for you. In a computer system where best fit algorithm is used for allocating the jobs to memory partitions, which means they are saying that they are using the best fit, right? And then they are assigning jobs to the memory partitions. The following situation has encountered. And now partition sizes in KB, which means they are saying that they have 4 partitions and the sizes of partitions are 4K, 8K, 20K and 2K. 4 partitions they have and each partition is having this size, right? So whenever they are declaring the size of the partitions, then you could definitely think that it is a fixed partitioning. Otherwise there is no way they could declare the partition sizes, isn't it? See, if you have any doubt whether it is dynamic partitioning or fixed partitioning, you can think of it. Whenever they are declaring the size of the partitions beforehand, then definitely it is the size of the it is fixed partitioning. And if this would have been, maybe you might think this way, maybe this would have been dynamic partitioning and the holes is what they are representing as the partitions. In case if that is true, which means if this would have been dynamic partitioning, then they will refer that these are the holes and these are the sizes of the holes. They will not call them as partitions. So I feel that the question is about static partitioning or fixed partitioning, not the dynamic partitioning. Maybe if you feel otherwise, you please think about it, right? According to me, I feel that it is static or fixed partitioning. I don't think that it is dynamic partitioning, and the reason I am giving you is the name holes is not used, and moreover the sizes of the partitions are declared well ahead. That is the reason I could give you. Okay, you think about it. And now let us say jobs. They are saying that the jobs are of sizes 2K, 14K, 3K, 6K, 10K, 20K and 2K, like that. So jobs are having some sizes and then partitions are having some sizes and time for execution, which means each job when it is started, they are going to take 4 units, 10 units, 22 units, 1 unit, 1 unit, 8 units and 6 units. Then the question is, when will 20K job complete? Which means this particular job, when will that get completed? Let's try to solve it. And second dilemma here is they didn't say anything about the scheduling algorithm. So when you have these many jobs, they didn't say about the arrival time and they didn't say about the scheduling algorithm, which means they didn't say anything about the shortest job first or whether it is FCFS. So under these conditions, the best thing to assume is, I'm just assuming it, nothing is given in the question. Under these circumstances, the best thing to assume is they are following FCFS, and the FCFS order is, and the order in which they mention the jobs, I'm taking the jobs in the same order as the order of arrival, and I'm not sure because nothing is given there, right? So under the circumstances that the given partitioning is static partitioning, which I assumed, right? And second thing is the scheduling algorithm is FCFS, again which I assumed, it is not given there. I'm going to solve it, right? If these two changes, the answer might change. Let's see this. And moreover, it is not a multiple choice question. It is you are supposed to write down the answer there. Okay, so watch it. So how many partitions they are saying? They are saying that they have 4 partitions. One partition is 4K, other partition is 8K, other partition is 20K and the other one is 2K. So they are saying that we have 4 partitions, each of sizes like this, right? And now they are saying that the jobs are arriving like this, and they are saying it is using best fit. That is what they have at least told us, right? So now 2K. So where are you going to assign 2K? 2K has to be assigned to the best fit. Best fit is nothing but this 2K partition. So 2K will be assigned here, and how long will it take for it to finish? 4 units, which means if I start from 0, it will get finished at 4. That is what I am sure. And next one is 14K. Therefore 2K is already assigned. Next one is 14K. So where are you going to assign 14K? The best fit says that 14K has to be assigned. There is no way I can assign 14K anywhere. Only one option I have. I am going to put it there. 14K. And how much time will it take? If I start it at 0, it is going to take 10 units. Which means if I start it at 0, it will finish it at 10. Right? And next one is 3K. So where are you going to start 3K? Where are you going to place it? The best fit is going to place 3K here, right? And now if it is going to take 2 units of time. If I start at 0, it is going to be finished at 2. and next one is 6k. So where can you place it? In the 8k block, 6k, right? Now if you start at 0, it is going to get finished at 1. Fine. Now let us say all these are running. Which one will be the first one to finish? All these 4 are assigned. Which one will be the first one to finish? At time t equal to 1, this 6k job will get finished and 8k block will be available, or 8k partition will be available. And now which one will you take up? The next candidate is 10k, but then I cannot put 10k process in the 8k this one, right? In the 8k partition. Therefore I am not going to take it up. And 20k, the same case. 20k also I cannot fill it up in 8k. So 10k and 20k have to wait for the 20k block. They cannot fit in any other partitions, and therefore I am going to take 2k, and it can be assigned here. So if 2k starts at 1, because 6k is going to finish at 1, if 2k starts at 1 and it takes 6 units, it is going to run from 1 to 7 units. Got it? Fine. And now at time t equal to 2, the next one to finish is 3k at time t equal to 2. But even if it gets finished, I cannot allocate 10. I cannot start 10k job or 20k job. I am helpless. And next one to finish is this 2k. Even if it finishes it, I cannot allocate it. Therefore, I am helpless. And next one to finish it is 2k at 7. But I am helpless. I cannot put 10k or 20k, right? It is called external fragmentation. See this? 8k is available, 4k is available, and 2k is available. Combinedly put together, it is 14k. 14k is available, but still I will not be able to start 10k because of the restriction that every process has to occupy only one partition. That is the restriction in contiguous allocation, isn't it? And now only block I should be waiting for is 20k to get over. So when will it get over? At time t equal to 10, it will get over. At this point, the first one to complete is 10. Therefore, I am going to schedule 10k now. When I schedule 10k at time 10, it is going to say that it will take up 1 unit of time, which means it is going to run from 10 to 11. And at this point 11, this is going to be over, right? And then I can schedule the next one, which is 20k. So I don't have space here, I am writing here. 20k will start at 11 and it will run till 19. Therefore, finally, in order to finish 20k job, we have to go till 19 time, right? So at time t equal to 19, the 20k job will get finished. That is the answer. Got it?